Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Bernice. My channel is for the overall well-being of women 50 and older and inspiration for all, and then kidney donor updates on myself, and periodically I will collaborate with my daughter for Mom and Tiff funny stories. If this is your first time here, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and don't forget the notification bell so you don't miss any time I upload. I've been talking about air fryers. I've talked about the benefits of air fryers and how to condition your air fryer. But in today's episode, I want to share with you how I baked brownies in an air fryer. Now, I can't eat chocolate for health reasons, but my husband and daughter love it. So I made a brownie mix that was a cookie brownie mix. And what I did was I split it into two, and I put one in the pan, the cake pan that comes with the air fryer, and put that in the air fryer, and then I put the other in a glass baking pan and put that in the oven. So that's what you're going to find out today. I started out by spraying the pan in the glass baking pan, and then I set the oven, preset it to 325 degrees, and it started preheating. In the meantime, I went ahead and turned the air fryer to, I hit the mode button. It's a little blurry, I apologize. But there's a cake setting that you can turn to, and it automatically is 320 for 40 minutes, but it did not take 40 minutes to bake the brownies. Now, both pans got a half a batch of the box brownies, so they weren't as thick as they would have been if I just put it all in one pan or baked it in one, either the oven or the air fryer. So I preheated the air fryer. I did it for 2 minutes, but I could have done it for a minute and it would have been more than enough. And I stuck that brownies that was in the cake pan into the air fryer. In the meantime, I'm waiting 9:09, I'm waiting 9:10, I'm waiting for the oven to preheat, and there is the glass baking pan for that. Finally, it gets to 325, and I put it in the oven. And then in just 23 minutes, the air fryer brownies were ready. And so there's a slice of that from the air fryer, and it looks pretty good, other than the fact that I didn't have a lot, so it's thinner. And then I waited a little bit, and the oven temp 9:52, so 40 minutes later, the brownies from the oven were done. And I also took a slice of that. So first I showed you what it looks like coming out of the oven, and then here is a slice of it. And that looks pretty good too, other than it's thin because I didn't use the whole batch. And now here's the comparison side by side, the air fryer and the oven, and they look the same. The textures were the same. Like I said, this was a box mix, and my husband and daughter loved it. So there you go. Try it. The next time I'll try a whole batch.